just out shed hunting in the coulees here, and seen some movement, and all of a sudden I seen something on the ground, and thought that was kind of strange, and came across this looked to be young fella on the ground, or it might be a girl too. I don't know what it is, but I think she's cold or wounded or something, because it doesn't look too good a shape. Just let me catch her. And so I'm just gonna empty out my bag and put her in my bag, tuck her wings in there, and just make sure she's nice and safe and in a dark place. And we'll get her home. I'm not too far from home. Get her home and I'll look at her, and she's strong, man. She's still got some fight left in her, and I had a hold of my gloves and wouldn't let go. But you know, if you came across a stranger, I guess you'd do the same thing. So just gonna hopefully grab her here and put her in my bag. Home. Oh no, you're okay. You can see she's beautiful. Just a small one. Just a young one. So I'm gonna tuck her in here, and that way I can drive a lot safer for the both of us. It's okay. You're okay. No. That way she won't try to struggle or get out or anything like that. And we'll hopefully get her home safe. You know, if we can keep her alive until Sunday. I'm working at the vet college there. Okay, well, that's it, I guess. I'm gonna go home, not too far from home. It'll be a quick zip, and I'll come back out and look for some more sheds.